You gotta.
You ready, buddy?
All right,
Go.
go.
Spin it. What do you get? You got a 17. Oh, man, you got the brand new one. That one that just came out.
All right.
Here you go, buddy.
Thank you. All right.
Alright, so here's what we wound up with at the Legends Tour stop in my neck of the woods. Got a couple of gassers. Going for big bucks online. I dig it. And spin the wheel. Got an unreleased Sunagon Zamac. Very cool. Good going to my oldest son. Spinning the wheel, getting that win. Hope you enjoyed that video from this morning's Legends Tour stop over in Mulberry, Florida. Got some mystery model cars here. Going to open up and run them down the track, see how they do. These are from 2019. These are from 2020, the first batch. I know you've probably seen these before, but I don't think anybody's really raced them too much, so let's see if they're any good on the track. Okay. This is from 2019. Got like funky colors. Alright, here's the Datsun. Is this the Bluebird wagon? What are they calling this? Yeah, 510 wagon. Funky colored wheels. Got the Aero disc wheels, which I like. Usually pretty good runners. So yeah, it might be a good one there. Alright. Next one we got is that Boss Mustang. Boss 302 Mustang. MC5 wheels. Yeah, not bad. I do like the colors. I'm not crazy about the mismatched wheel colors, but still, I love Mustangs. Alright, and the last one from 2019 is, okay, this is that Volkswagen Caddy, I think. Yep, Volkswagen Caddy. Oh, that's cool. Zamac, almost like a Zamac finished. Lace wheels. These usually aren't very fast, but we'll give it a go. Go. Alright. And on to the 2020 cars. We have the Mustang. This is a GT concept. Okay, yeah. Looks very close to the production though. Don't have too many of these concept cars. Pretty cool. Alright, next one is Acura NSX with the hood scoop. We saw this in 2019 Acura NSX as well, which I don't really have it handy, I don't think. Let's see. What's the GT? No, I don't have it handy. But yeah, we had the Acura NSX. Check out one of my videos I had on it. Yeah, that one looks better than this one, actually. I'm not digging the chrome on a JDM, the shiny wheels on a race car. Don't make a lot of sense. Alright, next one is, got the Mustang Funny Car. It says Mystery 1, I like that. It's probably my favorite so far. Plastic base, riveted in the front. It's got gold wheels. Maybe it's quick. Color is nice. Everything is nice about this car. Alright, last of the mystery models is Ford GT. Yep. This one's pretty nice. PR5s on it. Gray metallic. Here's the one from last year. Yeah, we can race them. Actually, yeah, that's a good idea. We'll race them. Which one's faster? The 2020 Mystery GT or the 2019, which is the blue one? That's a good idea. Let's do that. Alright, let me put them on the track. Alright, first up we got the Ford GTs. Alright, let's see what happens. Wow, 2020. Wow! Great time! Wow! We're almost on 5-star speed. The 2020. Wow! Surprise, surprise. You gotta run them to know. Dang. Let's switch up the lanes. Oh, can't believe how well it did on the first run. Let's see if it's got a little bit more left in it. I had no idea there were these fast out there. Yeah, it's running good. Both of them ran good. Nice. Confirming the speed there a little bit with the 2085. So that is going to be a contender for the case. Nice. All right, next up, we got the Acura NSX Mustang Funny Car. Here we go. Mustang Funny Car, easy win. Acura NSX is not fast. Funny Car blew the doors off him. Alright, we got the 510 wagon and the Mustang concept car. Let's see what happens. Oh, that is a tight race. Mustang ekes out the narrow win. Wow. Moving on. Close race, so let's be fair and give him another chance. Mustang versus Datsun. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Whoa, Mustang pulled ahead. Mustang almost into 4-star speed there with the concept. Datsun hanging around where it is, 3-star speed. Gaining up a little speed though. Volkswagen feels fast, but it's going up against the Boss 302. Let's see which one has what it takes to move on. Wow, Boss killing it. Both kind of slow. Boss ain't that slow though. 3-star speed there. Boss, Caddy, not doing so great. That'll be a one and done on the Caddy, but we do have the Mustang Funny Car, the GT concept. Boss 302, 3 Fords, actually 4 Fords. Here we go. We got the 4GT versus the Funny Car. What's gonna happen? Here we go. GT! Woo! Still fast. That's a good car there. Funny Car, kicking up the speed at 2108. Let's switch up the lanes. That was a close race. We got the mystery Funny Car, GT. What's gonna happen on this round? Wow, close race. GT beats it out. Good all-around performer there. Moving on to the finals. Interesting matchup. We got the GT concept. It's the Boss 302, old school muscle. Concept in lane 1. Wow, close race. Concept beats it out there. Not a wonderful time, but enough to get the win. Let's switch up the lanes. Boss is going to have to kick it up a notch to get in the finals. Here we go. Wow. Wow, it did. Boss does make it to the finals. With that time of 2095. Very nice. Boss 302 time does trump the GT concept time. That's why it's moving on to the final. Let's get going with the final here. GT gets lane 1 advantage due to the time. Almost 5-star speed time there. And 4-star speed there on the Boss 302. But anything could happen. Let's see. First race of 3. Ooh, GT, wow! Oh, so close to 5-star speed on the GT. This is the fastest GT I've ran on the track. I do believe that includes GT40s. So very good time on the GT. And the Boss 302 is getting a tad faster there. 4-star speed, nice. Can the GT come away though? Round 2 coming up. Alright, can the Boss 302 manage a win against the super fast GT? Wow, close race. And the Boss does get a win. Wow. Getting interesting. GT slowed down quite a bit in lane 2. Let's switch them back. Right, lanes are switched again for the 3rd and final race. Let's see what happens. Wow. Wow, close race. 2077. Wow. Poor GT loves lane 1. 2110 on the Boss. The Mystery Models winner for our little mini tournament here. What do you guys think of the race in the car? Didn't know this one was fast. Have you guys found a fast one too? Pretty good times. Alright. Alright. Let's put this Ford GT in the case. The case of quickness here. Got to move some cars around. But it needs to go like right there, according to its time. Oh, it fits. then we're good. We can leave it in there. Nice. Right in the middle of the pack there of fast cars. Alright, thanks for watching, you guys. Later.